Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, you'll discover a powerful tool that can save you time and boost your results online. Make sure you watch this video.
Hey, Mohit here. Thank you so much for checking out Codex Course Machine. You can earn up to $172 per sale. There's 100% commission on the front end and 50% on all the upgrades. Codex Course Machine is my latest AI-assisted method to create video courses really quickly. This is the exact workflow I use myself to go from an idea to a finished video course, start to finish, without ever touching a camera or opening an editing app. Codex is OpenAI's super app, and it handles the video creation part for every lesson. I'm showing you the system I actually use. In fact, this section of the video that you are watching right now was built using the method that I show in Codex Course Machine. So let me stop talking about it and just show you. I'm going to cut over to my screen now, and I want to walk you through this the same way your buyer will experience it. After purchase, your customers will be directed to this page where they can create an account. Once they have an account, they can sign in. And after signing in, they'll be brought to this dashboard page where they can access their purchases, bonuses, and other things. This is a custom membership website where customers can access whichever product they bought. So let's say they bought only the front end and none of the OTOs. The other products will be locked and they'll only have access to this one. Depending on what they've purchased, they'll be able to access the specific products they bought. So here, let me just show you all of the products. We have the front end, then OTO 1, OTO 2, and OTO 3. The front end offer is a video course. This is the core method we teach in this product. It's a complete video course and customers can access all of the lessons from here. Let's go back and have a look at OTO 1, which is the launch kit. This is more like a micro app that helps customers get started quickly. There's one video at the start that shows how the whole thing works. From here, I can click this button to begin, whether you already know your niche or have no idea at all. If you have no clue, you can use this option. Click through a few buttons and get exactly what you need. If I click on this, it'll ask a series of questions. As long as the customer answers them honestly, by the end of the process, they'll have a mini course structure ready to go. Not the video itself. The video creation part still uses Codex, which is explained in the front end. But they'll have everything they need to get past the block that most people hit when they're trying to create a course. This is mainly built for beginners, people who get stuck not because they can't use the tools, but because they don't even know what to create in the first place. This removes that block entirely. It's a micro app that makes the whole thing easy. It generates the lessons, generates scripts for those lessons, and so on. OTO 2 is another course. And this one is focused on marketing, how to actually launch the course you created. Once you've built your course, how do you launch it? Whether that's on JBZoo, Warrior Plus, or other platforms like Gumroad, or even your own website, this course covers that. It's called the Codex Course Launch Formula. And OTO 3 is the reseller rights. This gives customers the rights to sell this entire product as their own. So overall, this whole funnel is very much targeted toward beginners. Because we have a low entry point, a $7 front end, it's an easy buy for a lot of people. And combined with the reseller rights in OTO 3, it becomes a great option for them as well, since they can make solid money from reselling it. This is a genuinely mass market offer. Creators, coaches, freelancers, consultants, and especially complete beginners who've never built a digital product but have knowledge worth packaging. If your list has ever even thought about making money with a course or a digital product, this makes sense to them immediately. Codex Course Machine goes live July 1st, 2026 at 11 a.m. Eastern. Get your affiliate links below.
Regarding the bonuses, please visit the bonus page below this video and you can pick any bonus, purchase through my link, and send me a message to deliver them.